Hey guys, it's Larry from LarrisLivinLite, and today I am doing a spread in my Happy Planner I'm doing the week of February 4th through the 10th. Obviously it's a little bit irrelevant, but because it is the week of Chinese New Year, I picked out Victoria Thatcher's beautiful sticker kit for free. I'll have a link for her down below where you can download this. This is so cute. It's a Chinese Happy New Year layout. So I thought this would be super fun for this week. Isn't that adorable? And it even has 2019 on it. And it's obviously the year of the pig. So we got little anchors everywhere. I just think they're so cute. So here is the PDF file that I downloaded to make my stickers. Here are the stickers that I made on my Cricut. And I was a little bit lazy this time. I just did a full sheet plus 2 extras. Look at this. I love this one. I'm going to use that as my meal tracker. And I put my social media on like I like to do. So somebody's crying in the background. Did you hear that? That's my kitty. So we're going to get started. If you want to see how this turns out, then stick around and we'll get playing. So you saw my Chinese New Year stickers that I'm going to be using from Victoria Thatcher. I did pull out one of my washi boxes. If you're curious where I got this, I'll put a link below. This was on Amazon. And I have 2 of them and they hold all the washi that I need. I'm thinking maybe some gold, maybe some red. I'm going to try and play with it a little bit. So not sure if I'm going to use any washi or not, but if you want to stick around, play with me. Let's get to planning. So grab a drink, get your planner out, and your washi if you're going to use some, and let's just see what happens. All right, guys, so stick around. Let's see it. done. This is my before the pen spread. I think it came out so cute. I love Chinese New Year. I remember as a kid we used to go to San Francisco, into Chinatown, and see some of the festivities and whatnot. So it's always been kind of a really cool celebration, and I just really appreciate all of the art. So here's my spread. I think it turned out wonderful. Whoops, we're losing hair here. I hope you like it. I hope you will download this artwork if it's not too late for you to do your weekly planning for the Chinese New Year, and give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and leave comments, any questions, recommendations, anything. I love to interact with you. It's so fun when you actually send me little notes. I really appreciate it. Lets me know you're out there. So this is it, guys. I'm going to put in my functional stickers, my appointments, and start doing my writing. So thanks for planning along with me, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, please be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. See you soon, guys.